Hello everyone. So today let's see what is linear differential equation. A linear differential equation is an equation in which the dependent variable and its differential coefficients occur only in the first degree and then are not multiplied together. Okay, so this definition we'll understand with an example better. Okay, so there are two types of linear differential equation here. So we have two types, that is one type is like linear differential equation in the variable or the function y. So second type is in the function x. So you will have a question like this: dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So in this case p into y function will be there and q will also be a function in y. Okay, so here in this case the form will be like this, and here p into x function will be there and q will be a function of x. Okay, so we can identify which is y type 1 or type 2, that is either it's a function in y or in a function in x. So accordingly we'll move on to the next step. So if the question is not given in this form, we have to write the question in the standard form, that is first write the dy by dx term, then p into y. You can write say for example you will have y tan x. So that is nothing but tan x into y, that is p into y. P becomes tan x and into y is equal to q will also be a function of y. Okay, so like that. So that we will understand with an example now, the example problem. So once you are getting a function of y for this second term and the q, you are going to do the next step to be integrating factor, which you will find using the formula e is equal to, integrating factor is equal to e to the power of px dx, that is p function of x, p of x dx. So solution will be y into integrating factor, what you found from here, is equal to integral q into integrating factor. This will be integrated with respect to x plus integration constant c. Say if you got p of p into x is equal to q, that is this and this will be a function of x, then find the integrating factor using this formula e to the power of integral p of y dy. So after getting the integrating function, the solution is found using this formula, that is x into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor. We are integrating here with respect to y plus the integration constant. So let's get into a problem. Okay, now this is a problem. Solve dy by dx is equal to y tan x minus 2 sin x. So first our aim is to write this in the standard form, that is dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So the dy by dx term will come first. Then I'll bring this term to the other side, that is minus tan x into y py is equal to, this is here q 2 sin x. Okay, now this is in the form of, this is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q, right? So now we have our next second step is to find the integrating factor. So what was the formula? E to the power of integral p of x dx. What is p from here? This is p, right? This is p. This is p into y. So that means e to the power of integral, what is p? Tan minus tan x. So we have the formula to be plus, right? So this is minus, that means you have to take plus of minus. That means p becomes minus tan x dx. So what do we have? We have e to the power of, what is integral tan x dx? Log secant x minus log secant x. Now we know we can write this minus 1 to be to the power of this using log formulas, exponential formulas, that is log of secant x to the power of minus 1. So you know e to the power of log of something will be what is there inside this bracket, right? So this can be written as secant x to the power of minus 1, that is nothing but 1 by secant x. So we got the integrating factor to be 1 by secant x. Now the solution is using the formula. Then the solution is using this formula, y into integrating factor is equal to integral q of x integrating factor dx plus c. So what is y is as it is. Integrating factor we got was 1 by secant x is equal to integral. What was our q? Q was minus 2 sine x into integrating factor 1 by secant x into dx plus c. So see here, this is of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So q is minus 2 sine x. So we took that q as minus 2 sine x here. Okay, now let's solve. So this can't be done anything, so it will be y divided by secant x is equal to minus, I'll take outside, and this is 2 sine x. What is 1 by secant? 1 by secant is cos x into dx plus c. Now if you see this 2 sine x cos x is a formula, that is sine 2x is equal to 2 sine x into cos x. So now this can be replaced as sine 2x dx plus c. Now integrate. What do you get? Minus sine 2x is, integration of sine is cos 2x is divided by 2 plus c. So you have y by secant x here. Okay, now we will write this 1 by secant as cos. So y cos x is equal to minus cos 2x divided by 2 plus c, which is our required. Sorry, here we have made a mistake. Sine 2x, integration of sine x is minus cos x, right? So this becomes plus. So our answer is y cos x is equal to cos 2x divided by 2 plus c. So this is our required differential solution for differential equation. Okay, linear differential equation.